welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a Google font to Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with Google, you can continue with their business or working email. But if you click the more options, you can continue with Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, adding a Google font to your Squarespace website will give you a lot of advantages. Especially that Google Fonts provides a vast library of fonts, giving you access to a wide range of typography options beyond what Squarespace offers by default. Now, this allows you to find a font that aligns perfectly with your brand's aesthetic and communicates your message effectively. Now, I believe integrating Google Fonts into your Squarespace allows you to customize the typography of your website to a greater extent. Now, you can choose fonts that reflect your brand identity and just simply adjust the font size, weight, and style to suit your design and preferences. Now, if you are new to Google Fonts, it is a web-based and can be accessed by any visitor to your Squarespace site, regardless of their device or browsers. Now, it ensures consistency in typography across different platforms, maintaining the integrity of your brand's visual identity. Now, the first thing is we need to select the right font that can enhance the readability and overall user experience of your website. Now, as you can see, Google Fonts offers a variety of typefaces optimized for web use, ensuring that your text is eligible and easy to read on screens of all sizes. Now, let's use maybe a Rubik scribble. Now, if you want to use this one. Okay, so once we selected the font that we are going to use in the Squarespace custom CSS, say it's going to be a Pacifico, click on it. And from here, you have a lot of options. As you can see, you can download the font right here. Or by clicking the Get Font. And from here, as you can see, you have the three options. You can download all of it. Let's remove this one. You can download this one, the Pacifico. So if you wanted to add the font on the custom CSS manually, you can share it, click on it. And from here, this is going to be the link. Or we might want to get the embed code right here. Now, once you copied this one, copy code, let's get to the custom CSS editor for our Squarespace. Now, from your dashboard, just go to the utilities and website tools, click on it, and as you can see, that's where the custom CSS is located. Now, we have a separate video on creating or adding a multiple fonts in one line. You might want to check that out on our channel, but for now, let's delete that and paste the code. Now, after doing so, is just click on the save option here at the upper left corner, click on it. Now, for you to be able to check if it's working, now the next step is assigning these font to the content. Now, you can use a selector or you can use a block. Now, you can rename the block as block 1, 2, 3 and all of that. And after doing so, just click on save. It's a very straightforward process, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.